Install solar panels without risking your roof during storms. Welcome to Vanindon Academy. If you're thinking about installing solar panels, you might be worried about how they'll hold up in extreme weather, especially during heavy storms, wind, or even hurricanes. In this video, we'll show you how to safely install solar panels without putting your roof at risk, even in storm-prone areas. Let's get started. Why storm protection matters. Solar panels are built to be tough, but they're still vulnerable if not installed properly. Strong winds, driving rain, hail, and flying debris can all damage your panels, or worse, your roof. A poor installation can lead to water leaks, roof damage, panels being torn off, costly repairs. So, getting it right from the start is essential, especially if you live in regions with frequent storms, monsoons, or hurricanes. Step 1. Choose certified, high-quality solar panels. Start by selecting solar panels that are certified for high wind and impact resistance. Look for certifications such as IEC 61215 and IEC 61730. Standard durability tests. UL 61730 for fire and safety ratings. Panels rated for at least 2400 to 5400 pascals wind and snow load. The frame should be corrosion-resistant aluminum, and the front glass should be tempered safety glass. Also, consider manufacturers that offer warranty coverage for extreme weather. Step 2. Use a robust mounting system. Your solar panels are only as secure as the mounting hardware holding them in place. Choose a mounting system designed for your roof type, whether it's shingles, metal, tile, or flat roof. Make sure the racking system is rated for high wind uplift, anchored into the roof rafters, made from weather-resistant materials like stainless steel or anodized aluminum. In hurricane zones, use lag bolts or hurricane clips that meet local building codes. Avoid mounting systems that rely solely on surface adhesives or light anchoring. Step 3. Seal all roof penetrations properly. Every bolt or anchor going into your roof must be 100% watertight. Use flashing under each mount. This is a sheet of waterproof material that channels water away from the hole. Combine flashing with roof sealant or butyl tape to create a double-layer barrier against leaks. This step is one of the most critical for protecting your roof over the long term, especially during heavy rain or hail. Step 4. Ensure proper roof condition before installation. Never install solar panels on a damaged or aging roof. Inspect your roof for cracked shingles, loose tiles, rust or weak spots on metal roofs, structural sagging, or soft areas. If your roof is more than 10 to 15 years old, consider re-roofing or reinforcement before installing panels. Solar panels are a 20 to 30-year investment. You don't want to remove them later just to fix roof issues. Step 5. Install with the right tilt and spacing. The tilt angle of your panels can affect their wind resistance. In high wind areas, keep the tilt lower to reduce uplift forces. Panels flush to the roof offer the best wind protection. Leave enough space between rows of panels so wind can pass through easily without building pressure. And always make sure the panels are securely clamped at all four corners, not just along the sides. Step 6. Add wind deflectors or skirts if needed. In particularly windy areas, consider adding aerodynamic skirts or wind deflectors to the edges of your solar array. These accessories help redirect airflow and reduce the uplift pressure under your panels during storms. They're especially useful on flat roof installations or open fields where there's little natural wind protection. Step 7. Perform regular maintenance and inspection. Even after a strong installation, routine inspection is key. Check mounting hardware for looseness, flashing for water damage, panels for cracks or debris buildup, wiring for wear or exposure. After any major storm, inspect your system to ensure everything is still secure. Catching small problems early can prevent big damage later. Bonus tip: consider insurance and warranties. Make sure your homeowner's insurance covers storm damage to solar equipment. Many policies do, but it's best to confirm. Also, check that your installer offers a workmanship warranty. This protects you in case of leaks or structural damage caused during installation. Manufacturer warranties typically cover the panels, but not the damage they might cause if they break free. Final thoughts. You can absolutely enjoy the benefits of solar energy without putting your roof at risk, even in stormy weather. Here's a quick recap of how to do it right. Use certified high-quality panels. Choose a storm-rated mounting system. Seal every roof penetration carefully. Inspect and repair your roof before installation. Install with smart tilt and spacing. Add wind deflectors if needed. Monitor and maintain regularly. With proper planning, you'll get years of safe, reliable solar power, rain or shine. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. And let us know in the comments, what's the biggest storm challenge in your area when it comes to installing solar?